let's unbox the iPhone 15 Pro. This is my third purchase of iPhone series. I have been using iPhone since 3 years now. Basically, I bought it for the Pro camera experience because I never had a Pro version. I have got myself natural titanium. This is the first time they have launched with titanium. They say it's much more stronger than the previous version. This comes with an Apple sticker and SIM ejector. Now it's time to turn it on.
Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom. I'd fall asleep to the screaming. Sound machine always speaking. Left emotional scars. Now I'm 21. A soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh. And you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. But now I'm 21. A soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Feels like I'm 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21.
The only new thing that I could see is the action button. Also bought a transparent back cover. I ordered the screen guard. By the time screen guard arrives, I'm just gonna keep it very safe. I hope I don't drop this phone at all. Well, so now let's test the camera quality. I am capturing the pictures of the grass, which you can see in the background, with the help of iPhone 14. Then I am capturing from iPhone 15 Pro. I have set the same camera settings in my iPhone 15 Pro as I had in my previous iPhone models. I'll definitely give it to the iPhone Pro because the clarity of the picture is much better compared to the iPhone 11 and iPhone 14. If you already own 13 or 14 version, you probably don't need this, but if you want to upgrade your camera quality, you might want to change your mind and purchase this model. Hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, bye. Love you guys.